Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. Okay, so on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. The more parameters and the more rules you place upon your trading method, the less chance of future success. Okay, so we're going to quickly move over to our charts to see how we're going to end this week. Okay, and as usual, we're going to take off. We're going to look at EUR, USD to make sure we're still trading. Okay, so friends, this is a buy market. We're still buying this market. Note that we do have our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event that the market turns on us, it will actually knock us out the market. But until then, we're going to go ahead and pay ourselves first. Usually we have a large enough lot size that we can pull a lot off every single day off of our trade. So that's what we like to do. GBP USD. Okay, friends, this is another buy market. We're buying this for a while. Got our stop loss in at our entry point in the event that the market turns on us, okay? And we're just paying ourselves every day. USD CHF. Okay, this particular market is a sell market. Rules, we're following the rules. Our rules are we pay ourselves first, our number one rule, and then once our trade gets going, we'll go ahead and drop that stop loss in at our entry point. We never put it in at when we place our order. We drop it in after the market the market gets rolling, okay? USD JPY. Okay, is another sell market. We actually had our sell order in. Pullbacks happened in this market, so it actually hit our stop loss at our entry point. But if you would like to get back in this market, go ahead and place a sell stop order, okay? EUR CHF. This is another buy market. We are buying. EUR GBP. This is also a sell market. So friends, we had a sell stop order in. The market has never pulled down to even hit our sell order. So it has pulled back. So we're going to wait and see if the trend actually changes in this particular market. Okay. EUR JPY, another sell market that we have a sell stop order in. It has never ever hit our sell stop order. It's kept pulling back. So we're going to see if the trend changes in that particular market. GBP CHF, this is another buy market. We were buying it. We had our buy order in there. But the market pulled back. It actually hit our stop loss at our entry point and knocked us out the market. No loss. No loss for us, okay? GBP, JPY. This is another buy market. We've been buying this for quite a while, so we're just pulling from the top, skimming off the top. CHF, JPY. This is a sell market, and this is another market we had our sell stop order in. Unfortunately, the market has continued to pull back. It never did hit our sell order, so we're going to wait and see if the trend actually changes in this market. If so, we'll go ahead and pivot, take out our sell stop order, and reposition. Okay, so we're going to jump over to our oil market. So I'm going to bring open our charts as usual. We're going to take a look at our chart, and we're going to go to Brent crude. Let's take a look at this particular market here. Okay. So we have Brent crude up. So if you can notice here, we see that the 50 period moving average is still positioned in between the 200 and the 500. And whenever that is the case, that is our no sell, no placing any order zone, okay? We only place orders when the 50 period moving average is above the 200 and 500 or below the 200 and 500. That is where we start placing our trades, okay? Okay, so that goes for, so this is a market that we are not in. We're going to wait. We're going to follow our rules of trading. We're going to wait. So we're going to also move over to WTI crude. Here's a similar market, friends, where the 50 period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and 500. So that is our no placing any sell order zone. We're going to wait until that 50 period moving average moves out of that zone where it's underneath both the 200 and the 500. So we're looking at maybe next week being able to get into these oil markets and placing a sell trade if possible. Okay, so we're going to move on to our next chart. So that goes for Brent crude, Brent spot, WTI crude, and WTI spot. Those are, we are not placing any trades in those markets at this time. Okay, so now we're going to move over to Bitcoin, which I know is another market that people are interested in. Okay, we're going to look at Bitcoin. So this particular market here, friends, is still selling. Our 50 period moving average is underneath our 200 and 500. We see that our shading is still red, which indicates that this is a sell market. We are just skimming off the top. We have our stop loss in at our entry point, and we're just pulling. We're paying ourselves every day on that particular market. Okay. So let's move over to ETHUSD. This is another sell market. This, though it's a slow moving market, it is a sell market. LTCUSD. This is a buy market, which we've been buying for a while. We do have our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event that the market turns and goes the opposite direction, pulls back, it will hit our stop loss at our entry point and knock us out the market. No loss. Okay, so now we're going to move over to silver. So we're going to take a look at our silver chart. So let me just bring that up here. Okay, so our silver market here, we see that our 50 period moving average is positioned underneath the 200 and the 500. And we do see that the shading in this area is blue. So that confirms that the trend has changed and we've been buying this particular market for a while. So when we see the shading is blue, we know that the trend has changed from a sell to a buy, and so we've been buying that market for a while, and we're just paying ourselves every day. We do have our stop loss at our entry point, so in the event there's a major pullback, our trade is protected. Okay, so and we're also going to take a look at gold now. And so gold is also a buy market. Now, we actually had a buy order in there. Pullbacks happen within that market, which actually knocked us out of the market. So we're no longer in the gold market. We're probably going to stay out of it for a while until we start seeing that it's maybe rallying. But for right now, we're just going to pause for a second and see what the market tells us tomorrow. Okay, USD, MXN, another sell market. This market has pulled back, and hopefully anyone who was in that trade had their stop loss at their entry point. So in the event, because of the major pullbacks, it would have knocked you out the market at your entry point. EURNOK. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. I think we talked to you about this yesterday or a couple of days ago, getting your buy trade in there. So you place your buy stop orders. We have total confirmation about this being a buy market. EURZAR. This is another buy market. The market has started to rally. So we're going to go ahead and put our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event that the market turns on us, it will knock us out of the market. But until then, we got in the other day with our buy order. So we're going to be paying ourselves off this market, and we're going to drop our stop loss in to protect our trade, protect our money. USD and OK. This is another sell market. We got in, we're paying ourselves, we've got our stop loss in there, we're protecting ourselves. USD SEK. Okay, Another sell market, been selling for a while. We're paying ourselves first. We got our stop loss in. No worries here, friends. Just pay yourself. USD, SGD, a beautiful sale market. We're just paying ours. So it's wonderful. We can pay ourselves every single day from these different markets. We got our stop loss in there, so our trades are protected. No loss there. USD, ZAR. This is a sell market. Now, friends, we had our sell order in. It hit our sell order, but then it pulled back. So we're going to wait and see if the trend should change on us. In the event that the trend does change on that, we're going to take our minor loss, and then we're going to reposition. So we take a minor loss, maybe, I don't know, maybe once every 2 weeks. We'll take our minor loss, we'll jump out, but we've been paying ourselves every single day, and it will compensate for the little minor losses that we take, okay? CAD, CHF, this is another sell market, looks beautiful, and I'm going to actually bring that chart up because we've been looking at this chart. So let's take a look at CAD, CHF. Okay, so friends, you see how the 50 period moving average is underneath the 200 and the 500, and we see that the shading is red, which means this is a continual sell market, and we can see how the market is pulling down, and we got our order in there. We got in, friends, at the inception. So when the 50 period moving average crossed underneath both the 200 and the 500, we jumped in with our sell order. We jumped right in. So we like to get in at the beginning of these trends. And like I mentioned before, these trends can last anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. So we like to get in early and ride these trends down, okay? And we're paying ourselves every single day off of these markets, okay? So let us take a look at CAD JPY. Another beautiful sell market. We're selling, we're paying ourselves. EUR CAD. This is another buy market that we got in early. So everyone who's got in early, what we're doing is we're paying ourselves first. We got our stop loss in there. Anyone else who hasn't gotten into this market, now that the 50 period moving average has moved in between those two zones, I would say to stay out of those markets. We don't get into those markets once it moves into that zone where we don't trade. GBP CAD, and this GBP is also another market where the 50 period moving average has moved in between the 200 and the 500. So we stay out of those markets. If we don't already have a trade already in there running, we stay out. But luckily, we have our trades in there. We got our buy trades in there early. We got our stop losses in there, and we are just paying ourselves every single day. If you have a large enough lot size, you can pay yourself a lot every day. Okay, USD CAD. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. It hit our sell order. The market pulled back on us. So we're going to wait and see what the market tells us. When the market tells us that the trend has changed, and when the shading goes from red to blue, we know it's time to get out. The trend has changed. We'll go ahead and reposition. We do not stay wrong, friends. We trade within the trend. So we'll go ahead and take our minor loss and jump out and reposition. So we usually probably have to take a minor loss maybe once every 2 weeks, something like that, okay? AUD CAD. Okay, so this is another buy market. Okay, friends, so we were buying this particular market. We had our stop loss in at our entry point. The market pulled back so much that it actually hit our stop loss at our entry point and knocked us out. So I think I'm probably going to wait. If you're going to try to get back in here, make sure it's a buy stop order only. But it looks like this market is continuing to pull down. So protect yourself, do a buy stop order only, or just hang out, wait. USD CHF. Okay, so friends, this is a sell market. Just got notice that this